We're going to send an email to our list. So we're going to roll over to Marketing, Email Campaigns. And up here in the top right, you'll choose New Email Campaign. Then you have the option of doing an email broadcast or an email sequence. An email broadcast is one email that goes out one time, either right now or scheduled in the future. An email sequence is an email that's automated. So if someone purchases this offer, send them this welcome email. If someone fills out this form for my freebie, send them this email with the freebie in it. So we're going to choose an email broadcast. We're just going to send out one email to our list. I'm going to choose that, continue. And then you have the option of all these newsletters or sort of email templates, I guess. And we're just going to choose a classic editor to keep it simple. And we're just choose test email here. Just put whatever subject you like in there. Nobody will see it but you. And then there are 4 parts to an email. Who's going to receive it? What's in it? You can preview it and also send yourself a copy, check all the links and everything, and then schedule it to go out right now or in the future. Now, select recipients is what I want to talk about. So currently, I only have one person on my contact list. This is my test email, my test website, but that's why it says just one. It automatically defaults to send email broadcast to all contacts, but you can segment that by choosing custom segments. And then from here, you can click here and you can see all the options for who you could send this email to. So many choices. And let's just say I do want to just send it to everyone. I would just choose all contacts, save and continue. And then you'd write the email, save and continue. This is where you can preview it and also send yourself a test email, which is nice because the way it looks here, sometimes it's not the way it arrives via email. And then schedule email, and you can choose to send out right now or schedule for later.